Just imagine what you want and then live it. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliet Cleary, and if you're new here and you like this content, please make sure to subscribe and tap that bell icon. Also make sure to share this video and give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Okay, how do you turn thoughts to things? How do you just imagine something and then live it? Okay, well, I have a question for you. How often are you actually focused on that ideal reality? How often are you focused on your dreams and allowing yourself to kind of feel eager about them, to imagine what it would be like? And how often are you just observing and reacting to your current situation and to your past? People wonder, why isn't it manifesting? Well, how much of the time are you feeling the emotions of your desire? How often are you feeling like it's already done? And you don't have to focus specifically on your desire to feel like it's already done. But when you are on the vibration of your desire, you're not looking at it from a place of lack or it's missing or why isn't it happening, or not very often at all. You're focused on the positive aspects of the desire. You are looking forward to it. You are eager, but more importantly, you feel good where you are right now. You feel whole. You feel happy regardless. You're making the most of your current situation. You're noticing positive aspects about where you are, where you've been, and where you're going. You are that person that you want to be. You're practicing those positive habits. You're looking for reasons to feel good more than you're looking for reasons not to feel good. Most of us are stuck in patterns of looking for reasons to complain and to not feel good. And we all get stuck in that trap. But it doesn't have to be that way. You could decide that a little bit more each day, just a little bit more each day from now, you're going to start to look more for reasons that make you feel good, that make you feel eager, and look for reasons to complain a little bit less. That's probably your biggest problem, and most people's biggest problem, is just looking at things that you don't like or that you don't want, and just having a feeling response, and therefore staying right where you are or attracting more of that stuff that does not feel good and that you do not want. And wondering, I've wanted this for so long and I've been visualizing, I've been doing this, but why hasn't it been coming? How often are you allowing yourself to dream? Are you thinking about what would it be like? Asking yourself the question of how would I feel if I had it? Allowing yourself to imagine it, even though it's not your reality, physically right now. Allowing yourself to go there in your mind for the joy of it. Allowing yourself to use your imagination for something that right now you can't see. And, think about it like for everything that comes into your life, you don't see it before it happens. So how is these, desires, these big dreams any different? They're not. There's no difference between a smaller desire, like something small, and something huge, except how you perceive it and how you feel about it. And therefore you block it from coming because you think it's going to be harder. But focus a little bit more on the fun of that desire. The eagerness of, your eagerness of what's coming. The excitement of what that would be like. How you would feel. And how you can feel more of those emotions throughout your day, and make the decision to do that. if you really knew that everything that you've asked for is right around the corner, ready to pop into your experience right now, 100% certain, done, and all you had to do was feel good, I don't believe that you would let a moment pass by where you're focusing on something that doesn't make you feel good, because you know that what you want is done and it's coming. So it's, I guess, that trust, right? But don't try to trust, don't try to believe when you're not in a good feeling mood, because that means you're in a lower frequency, right? And you attract similar emotions and thoughts and actions to where you are emotionally, okay? Just try to feel better from wherever you are emotionally. Just try to feel a bit better, which gets easier and easier over time. But be determined and consistent. Be determined to look for things that make you feel better, to look for reasons to be happy. Because, you know, most people are doing the opposite, and therefore most people are not living the life that they want to live. It makes perfect sense. So if you can be that different person that's like, you know what, I'm not going to do what everyone else is doing. I'm going to actually have, you know, install that chronic habit of looking for reasons to feel good, of looking for things to appreciate, of looking for what's already working in my life and what I've already manifested, and focusing on how good that feels as opposed to what's missing, right? Be that different person. And then take time throughout your day, or maybe it's the beginning of your day or in the end of your day, to just allow yourself to dream. Allow yourself to imagine what you want. Not for the purpose of trying to make something happen, but because you're powerful. And what you give attention to matters, and how you feel matters. And allow yourself to not focus so much on this current reality, because the current reality is temporary. It's just that you keep giving most of your attention to it, so you keep attracting it and you keep staying where you are. But if you're giving a little bit more attention to where you want to go and how that would feel, or feeling the emotions of that ideal reality or that goal as already done, and you're focused, you know, on that dream, and you're focused on things that you like about where you are, things that you appreciate or feel grateful for, and complaining less and focusing on problems a little bit less, your life is going to transform, be just magically. And then you're going to be like, oh my God, this was so simple. This was so easy. This is all I had to do. But it's about being determined and consistent. And then thinking about what you want when you feel good. When you're feeling good, when you're in a good feeling mood, think about the things that you want. Look at pictures of them, watch videos of them. Listen to good feeling music and think about it. And in that moment, you are attracting it to you because you are feeling it, you are embodying the energy of it, and it must be yours. So have a think about that dream. Maybe it's even been a while since you've actually really thought about that dream, that ideal reality, the details of it, how it would feel. You get caught up in what you're living now. So give yourself the freedom to focus on that desire and feel how you would feel if you already had it. And if it feels, you know, too hard to imagine that, I mean, it's easier if you're in a good feeling mood, but if it's still a struggle for right now, then just find the emotional place of it, that how you would feel, and then find those emotions throughout your day. Figure out a way to feel more of those emotions throughout your day more consistently. And that can start with just practicing gratitude and appreciating things in your current situation, what you're looking forward to. Have fun, guys. This gets to be easy for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe if you haven't already. For one-on-one coaching or my online programs, that's in the description box below. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you on the next video.